Your wireless network adapter chipset determine whether it supports monitor mode or not. Today I will show you how to test your wireless network adapter supports monitor mode and packet injection or not on this episode of Cybertricks. I saw many people are questioning on internet, do TP-Link WN722N adapter support monitor mode or not? TP-Link WN722N version 1 wireless network adapter has Atheros AR9271 chipset, which supports both monitor mode and packet injection. This wireless network adapter is the cheapest one and a favorite for beginner. Most of the people don't know about this, that TP-Link WN722N supports monitor mode and packet injection. For education purpose, this adapter is pretty good. You don't have to buy expensive wireless network adapter. That being said, only the version 1 will work smoothly with Kali Linux, but I am not sure about the other version since I haven't tried other version of TP-Link WN722N wireless network adapter. So guys, if you have this wireless network adapter, you are good to go. In case if you have another wireless network adapter, you can check pretty easily if the chipset inside your adapter supports monitor mode and packet injection or not. To start, first connect your adapter to your laptop and then open a terminal window. You should be able to determine the chipset of the network adapter by simply typing LSUSB space -BB into the terminal window, and looking at an output you can know your adapter chipset and vendor. In my case, chipset is AR9271 and vendor is Qualcomm Atheros Communications. After you know the chipset inside your wireless network adapter, you should have some idea about your adapter. These chipsets showing here are known to support monitor mode and packet injection. Now let's test our adapter capabilities. First, put your adapter in monitor mode. On your system, run the command ifconfig to see all the network interface. Your wireless network adapter should be listed as something like WLAN 0 or WLAN 1. If you see this Ethernet 0 and allow loopback only, then your adapter is not connected or plugged in properly, or maybe it is not supported by your system. Once you have the name of the network interface, you can put it into monitor mode by typing yarmon ng start WLAN 0 password. Here I type WLAN 0 because my adapter wireless network adapter is in WLAN 0 network interface. It can be different for you. If you get this output where you can find your adapter chipset name and other details, then you are in good track. To confirm your adapter is in monitor mode or not, just type iwconfig and you should able to see the name of your card has changed to WLAN 0 mon or WLAN 1 mon. Just MON mon will add it at the last or at the end. If you don't get any error till now, then congrats, your adapter is now ready for another test, packet injection. You can test your wireless network adapter to see that it is capable of injecting packets into nearby wireless network. On your system, type sudo play ng -test WLAN 0 mon and hit enter. If you get an output like this, then again congrats, your network adapter is successfully injecting packets into nearby networks. If you don't get an output like this, then your card may not support packet injection. Now let's hack a WPA network using Beside ng, extremely useful tool for WPA cracking. On your system, type sudo BESSIDE beside -ng -R and the type of the network you want to hack. Only hack those network you have permission to hack, otherwise you will be in trouble. And at last write WLAN 0 mon and hit enter. If you get an output like this, then congratulations once again. Your adapter is capable of grabbing and check from WPS/WPA2 networks. Please don't attack any network. Attack only those network which you have permission to attack. Otherwise, you will be get into trouble. So guys, if you find this video useful, please give me a thumb up and support me by clicking on that subscribe button. And always thanks for watching.